my champions, welcome back to another lesson. Last time you learned about apron. So today you'll be learning the scarf, train cover, bag and fridge mount. When we say scarf, how many of us know scarf, especially the female? We all use it. Some of us do use it when we are going to church. So when we say scarf, this can be made from a rectangular pieces of cloth. It is tied on the head while cooking or doing housework. You know, for us, not especially when you are cooking, for your hair not to get into the food, you can cover your hair. But most especially, it is tied when some of us are doing work or going to church. So this scarf is common among the female child. But these days, some of the guys have started using it as a faction around their neck. How to make the scarf? Turn narrow hem along each of the two short edges, tack and stitch. After that, turn narrow hem along again and remove the tacking thread and press the work. When you are done sewing, you press it down and remove the what? The tacking thread, the thread which you use in joining the two hem together. When you are done with that, you press the work down and remove the thread. So that is how to make a scarf. We have another one, train covers. How many of us have seen a train cover before? A train cover is a little piece of material used to cover our food. How to decorate the train cover? The edge of the train cover, oral and round train cover, may be finished in a decorative way by using an embroidery stitch like loop stitch, closely work, or the edges may be bound by using a matching or constructing bows binding. So to finish the edge of the train cover, make narrow hem, that's 1 centimeter wide on the 4 sides, that's opposite edge first. Tack and stitch using a decorative stitch such as having bone or cross stitch. So there is another one, making a bag, drawstring. This bag, the material needed. Firstly, let's make the cotton first. Cut out a paper pattern for the bag. Cut out bag to the measurement given. After you are done with that, the fabric measuring 65 centimeter by 35 centimeter, matching thread, that's sewing thread, various color embroidery thread as well, sewing tools, drawstring, that's 60 centimeter. Do you know the drawstring is like elastic rope? The bag that we are about to make is like those bags that we can drag at the top and it will be covered. Some of us use it in our birthday, those little birthday pack, whereby you can put all your things, you drag it at the top and it will be closed. So that's type of bag that I'm introducing to you. So how can we make this bag? Make a first turning half centimeter hem, 1 centimeter on both length end of the bag. Turn a lay half centimeter and a hem of 4 centimeter both width end of the bag. A strain will pass through so that do not stitch the inch. The strain that will pass round the edge, and don't sew it round. Work the embroidery stitch you like to design on the bag. Fold bag into half, tack in place. After that, press the string into the space in the hem edge and pull out. After you are done with this, you now have your what? Bag. That's your drawstring bag. Our fringe mat is another one we need to look into. This mat is common. It is found in various homes. You can use it to lie if you don't want to sleep on the bed. This mat The material needed for this mat: half meter fabric 90 centimeter wide, embroidery thread. I hope you know the embroidery thread, the thread that will fit the material, that will bring out the design. This embroidery is used to make a design on our fabric, so that's the reason we are emphasizing on the exact embroidery thread. So the thread must look colorful and it must suit or match the color of the material. So how to make this mat: straighten the material by pulling out some thread, trim this off, decide on the depth of the fringe mark this on the fabric. So draw a thread, then from the side stopping at the mark line. With this, you have the edges of a chair back, table runner, and dressing table mat. May all be finished in a similar way, so you can definitely do that. So kids, it has been a while learning scarf, train cover, a bag, and fridge mat. So with this, you'll be able to pick at least one of these things have made mention, which is the bag, French mat, and a scarf that you can practice on your own. Keep learning. Learning is fun. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next class.